I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
Purchase your tracks today.
You wore a blazer.
Alright, sneak peek number 2. No,
What?
sorry. No. A mistake. Alright, so that was sneak peek number 1. That was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Sneak peek numero 2.
Bum pararam.
Primer from Touching Soul. Alright, you can find it in Sephora also. This one, it's highly retail value. I honestly don't remember the price. It's just really good. And if you don't use a primer, I mean, who am I to say use a primer? I don't, but you should. Now, we're gonna have more skincare, more color cosmetics in the February box. It's gonna be an amazing box. I'm not gonna reveal everything over here, but I will reveal either today later on or tomorrow the other sneak peek for the Luxe box as well. So not to confuse anybody, those two will be in our February base box, and you guys already know the first sneak peek for the Luxe. We will reveal the second one as well in about a day or two.
Oh yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.